Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Razorpay to your Shopify. So the very first thing that you have to do is open your Shopify and then go ahead and tap on the settings at the bottom left. So once you click on that one, you will just see this option of the payments. So click on that one and tap on the choose a provider. So in here, you can just go ahead and search for the Razorpay. So as you can see in here, we have this result. So go ahead and click on this one and then tap on install to install the Razorpay on the Shopify. So just confirm by tapping on the install at the bottom right. And then you will be redirected in the Razorpay page. So if you're an existing user or if you're new to Razorpay, go ahead and click on any of this. So it depends on what you are on the Razorpay. So if you're an existing user, then tap on this. If you're new, just click on this one. And if you scroll down, here are the steps and how you can do it. So step 1 is click below to sign up for a Razorpay account. So tap on sign up now. And then you will be redirected in here. So you just have to use your email or phone number. So I'm just gonna go ahead and forward this one. And the step 2 is to complete the KYC and activation. So once you're done with that, click below to log into Razorpay account. So click on this one, and then that's step number 4 is to activate Razorpay Direct credit cards applications on the Shopify dashboard. So once you have completed all the steps right here, you will then have the Razorpay on your Shopify store. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!